Alright, so we're here today. We're going to be making a sex on the beach. This is a new chemistry class. It's all about alcohol.
Yes,
making
indeed.
alcohols. We're not going to turn them into aldehydes or ketones. We're just going to make alcohol so you could drink alcohol, you know? So you could get through your chemistry class a little better.
But of course, you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you put the proper materials. You want to make sure you got yourself a lab coat. You want to make sure that you got the glasses and everything, because you don't want to, chemistry and drink and all that stuff. You got to be safety first and all that stuff.
Safety first. Get fucked up and then do something bad later.
Yeah, yeah.
So today we're going to be using peach schnapps, the type of peach that makes you go snap.
Whatever the hell that is.
We're going to be using some cranberry,
The
take care of any
cranberries.
citric or some type of pH levels in the system over here. Very important, our alcohol, our ethanol alcohol, we're going to be needing that. That's what's going to give us a good buzz. We shouldn't look like this in about an hour or two.
No, we're going to look pretty much nothing like this at all.
And then working on the immune system and working on keeping ourselves healthy, we got a little OJ over here.
You got to make sure you keep yourself hydrated with vitamin C, whatever the hell that means.
So, over here, we have like a little beaker, you know what I mean? And then over here, we have 250 milliliter glasses, so we can go ahead and make our drinks.
You might not think so, but we actually measured this. 250 milliliters exact.
Yeah, who would have thought, right? You have your own materials here in your house. We have a whole bar full of these things. Talk about chemistry on the go. All right, so here we go. What we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and put an equal amount of all these in here. No need for measuring cups or anything. We're just going to go ahead and use this one right here.
We're
going to fill it up, each one of them one by one, and just keep pouring it in. So first thing we have to do is put the vodka, because the vodka is the first one. You want to put it at the bottom and then let it, All right, so we put our ethanol alcohol sky over here. Oh, yeah.
Now, as you're doing this, you want to make sure that, once again, you got your goggles on because you don't want to splash vodka all over your face. I had this guy, this good Jew from Jersey. His name was Bobby. Terrible story. Anyway, make sure safety first. Always remember that. And remember, go ahead and pour it gingerly. I believe that's the word. I don't know. In Jersey, we usually say, just pour that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what I mean? You just put it in. Period. That's what she said.
Oh, man. Sex on the beach. Know what I'm saying?
Sorry. Now we're going to go ahead and get our cranberry. Pour a little in here now. There we go.
Well, you notice, even though we're getting fucked up, we are obviously including cranberry and the OJ because we want to make sure that we got vitamins as we're drinking all this. It's all about safety. It's all about your health and stuff. You're
looking here. So far, we're doing pretty good. Things seem pretty equal. This one had a little bit more ice.
That's going to be hers.
But that's fine. All right, so now we get our peach schnapps.
You want to make sure you only add a dash.
A dash. So we're going to put half of the peach schnapps over here. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and disperse it between the two glasses over here, half and half.
Bang!
That's about it.
I want to make sure you do that. Bang!
Yeah.
If you don't say the bam, it doesn't actually quite work. That's what I was told.
There we go. Look at them.
It's
Look
fantastic.
at the way that they're actually working together, reacting with each other. Gosh, it's like
Beautiful.
chemistry.
It's like they're having sex
It's
in a
sex
liquid
on the
beach.
Yeah, it's so nice. All right, now we got our OJ. Most important part, If you have reflux, make sure you take your Prevalex before you go ahead and drink this stuff, like I did, because we're going to be drinking a few of them.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, now, the key to all this is you have to stir it. But we're not going to go ahead and just grab our glass and go like this a little bit. We want to stick something actually in there. So I have this handy dandy tool right here. And we're going to go ahead and just give it a little twist. Now, I want my assistant over here to try this wonderful drink. They look wonderful.
They look
Sex
fantastic.
is on the beach,
Now, if you want to get fancy and stuff, you could add a little umbrella and stuff.
Yeah.
We're not about that. We're all about
That's
drinking.
it. It's
So
just
we're
a
gonna go
key
ahead
subject, That's it. Making sex on the beach. Cheers.
Cheers to
That's
that.
our class for today. How's that?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's like I was having like sex in my mouth and stuff. It's great.
It's like an explosion.
A flavor.
All right, guys. Well, there you have it.